In this video, we will show you how to replace your front lower grille assembly on this Nissan Altima. This will be mounted directly to your front bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we'll have to do is safely make our way underneath the vehicle. Underneath the front of the vehicle, you should find that you have a plastic skid shield that comes across this area. Ours is missing. Typically these are held in place with push clips and possibly a couple bolts. Go ahead and remove that, and then you can gain access to this area here. Looking along the front here, you can also tell that our front bumper cover is broken. Typically, you will have to carefully make your way in between this area and the bumper cover. There's a little bit less space, but you can make your way in there. Now, looking up inside here, we can see the grille meeting up to the bumper. It has several locking clips that make their way across the bottom and across the top. Looking up in this area, we'll start separating the grille from the bumper cover. You're going to find that you have several locking tabs making their way all the way around. To disconnect those locking tabs, you will have to push down on the bumper cover to start separating it from the grille itself. You can use a pick and a screwdriver if needed. Start separating this. Make our way all the way down the line. There we are. As you can tell, as I was making my way around, it started separating on its own once things started loosening up. Take hold of that grille and remove it from the back side of the bumper cover. There it is, friend. Okay, friend, let's get ready to install our brand new front grille assembly. When we install it, we want to align all of our locking pins with their locking holes on the grille itself. Looking at the bumper cover, you can see all those tabs that do stick out. To put this in position, we would just try to slide this in between the bumper cover and this area here. Just go ahead and flex it out of the way. A lot of ours is missing. Just pull this right up here. We'll get this aligned. At this point, you would want to reach up through here and press along the outside and try to squeeze the two together. Since I'm missing a lot, I can just squeeze it just like this. Just press it down all the way across. Go up to the top, same thing. Once you have that fully installed, go ahead and put on your lower skid shield. After you've done that, safely make your way out from under the vehicle. Okay friend, we fully installed our lower grille assembly. At this point, you can go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test, listen for funny noises coming from this area. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.